Margex Guide, Part 7. How to make a withdrawal. If you want to withdraw some funds from Margex, the first thing you need to do is go to the Wallet section in the main menu. Here, you can either click on the Withdraw button for the specific currency, or click the button above to go to the Withdrawal section. It's important to note that Margex only processes withdrawals to external cryptocurrency addresses, which you can find in your wallets or other storage sources that support the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. To begin, you need to choose the coin you want to withdraw. In this example, we will withdraw USDT. Next, before entering the address, you need to choose the network. USDT has several networks through which transfers can be made. In this case, we select TRC20. Then, go to your external wallet where you want to send the funds, select USDT in the TRC20 network, copy the address, and paste it into the withdrawal address field. Depending on the currency and network you choose, the minimum withdrawal amount and transaction fee will vary. The minimum withdrawal amount here is 26 USDT, and the fee is 1 USDT. It is important to note that the withdrawal fee is the blockchain miner fee. This fee is set dynamically based on the current blockchain load. Margex does not charge any withdrawal fees and cannot influence the blockchain network fee. Let's enter 26 USDT. Great, now everything is ready. However, before you proceed with the withdrawal, you need to double-check the withdrawal address and the network you've selected, as entering incorrect information could result in the permanent loss of your funds. It's also worth highlighting that for security reasons, Margex stores the majority of funds in a cold wallet, while maintaining a limited amount in an online hot wallet. Withdrawals are processed manually once a day, between 12 p.m. and 2 p.m. UTC. Withdrawals requested before 12 p.m. UTC are processed on the same day, while withdrawals requested after 12 p.m. UTC are processed the following day. The status of your withdrawals will be reflected in the transaction history. We will discuss in more detail how Margex securely stores funds and how this impacts the withdrawal process in future videos. Now, we can complete our withdrawal by clicking Continue. For security reasons, an email with a confirmation code will be sent to you. Copy the code and click the Withdraw button. Great. We have requested the withdrawal. If you have any further questions, please refer to the FAQ section. You can also always reach out to our 24/7 support by clicking on the chat icon in the lower right corner. Let's return to the Wallet section. As you can see, a withdrawal section is marked. In this section, you can see that our withdrawal request is being processed and will be sent according to the time frame mentioned earlier in this video. You can also track the status in the transaction history section. Thank you for watching. Let's move on to the next video.